Hello, keyboard enthusiasts and Demon Slayer fans. Today, we're diving deep into a keycap set that's sure to ignite your passion for both mechanical keyboards and the world of Kimetsu no Yaiba. We're talking about the officially licensed Demon Slayer, Kimetsu no Yaiba, Kyojuro Rengoku, full art PBT die sub keycaps. This isn't just another set of keycaps, it's a statement piece. The full art design featuring Kyojuro Rengoku, the Flame Hashira, is vibrant and eye-catching. The colors pop, and the details are crisp, truly capturing the essence of this beloved character. If you're a Rengoku fan, these keycaps are an absolute must-have to showcase your love for the character. The keycaps themselves are made of PBT plastic, a material known for its durability and resistance to shine. This means your keycaps will look great for a long time, even with heavy use. The textured surface feels nice to the touch, providing a satisfying typing experience. One of the standout features is the side-printed legends. This design choice keeps the focus on the stunning artwork while still providing clear and legible characters. It's a great balance of aesthetics and functionality. The dye sublimation process ensures that the legends and artwork are deeply embedded into the plastic. This makes them incredibly resistant to fading and wear, so you can be confident that your keycaps will continue to look fantastic for years to come. Compatibility is always a concern when buying keycaps, and this set doesn't disappoint. It supports a wide range of keyboard layouts, including 60%, 65%, TKL, 75%, and full-size keyboards. It also includes coverage for most standard 6.25U bottom rows and basic US ANSI layouts. The inclusion of both QWERTY and hiragana legends is a nice touch, adding to the versatility of the set. While the set includes 106 keys, offering extensive compatibility, it's always a good idea to double-check your specific keyboard layout to ensure a perfect fit. Remember, this package includes only the keycaps. You'll need your own mechanical keyboard with Cherry MX switches or compatible clones to use them. These keycaps are more than just a cosmetic upgrade. They're a way to personalize your keyboard and express your fandom. The combination of high-quality materials, stunning artwork, and wide compatibility makes this set a winner. If you're looking to add a touch of Demon Slayer flair to your setup, the Kyojuro Rengoku full art PBT die sub keycaps are an excellent choice. They are officially licensed, ensuring you're getting a genuine and high-quality product.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.